Brainy Bubbles.
Let's learn color names one by one. Fun with animals, food, and lots of fun. Say the colors, spell it loud. Let's learn colors, we're so proud. Green is the color we first will say. G-R-E-E and hooray. Green tree, green turtle, what a sight. Green cabbage, round and leafy bright. Green caterpillar, wiggle slow. Green cucumber in a row. Green frog hops up so high. Green is fresh, give it a try. R-E-D, red is bold. Red takes a pause. Red cherry, red rose with scent. Red is lovely and elegant. Yellow, yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow shines so bright, oh wow. Yellow sun and banana too. Yellow butter just for you. Yellow lemon, yellow duck. Yellow mango, lots of luck. A P-I-N-K is sweet. Pink is soft and fun to me. Pink lotus on a pond so still. Pink strawberry, what a thrill. Pink radish and flamingo's feather. Pink onion and lipstick together. P-I-N-K is sweet. Orange things for you and me. Orange fox with orange tail. Orange carrot, never pale. Orange orange, round and neat. Orange papaya, what a treat. Orange is bold, now let's be together. B-L-A-C-K, black is cool. Black chip swings, black crow rolls. Blackberry is yummy and sweet. Black penguin with snowy feet. Black sunglasses block the sun. Black bat flies on the run. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple things for all to see. Purple octopus under the sea. Purple eggplant next to me. Purple umbrella in the rain. Purple grass across the plain. Purple jellyfish, candy too. Purple is fun, just like you. B-R-O-W, brown is warm. Brown owl sleeps through a storm. Brown cake tasty and so sweet. Brown monkey with nimble feet. Brown deer with antlers high. Brown bear and rat walk by. W-H-I-T-E, white is bright. White rabbit hops in the light. White candle glowing near. White cloud floats far and clear. White cat purring on the floor. White dove and igloo door. B-L-U-E, blue is cool. Blue dolphin swims in the pool. Blue crayon draws the sky. Blue clouds float up so high. Blue ocean deep and wide. Blue butterfly takes a ride. B-L-U-E, blue is cool. Blue dolphin swims in the pool. Blue crayon draws the sky. Blue clouds float up so high. Blue ocean deep and wide. Blue butterfly takes a ride. Blue jeans we like to wear. Blue is calm, it's everywhere. G-R-E-Y, gray is neat. Gray elephant with giant feet. Gray wrench and gray old key. Gray pigeon on a tree. Gray wolf in the wild at night. Gray shark gives a playful bite. Now we know our colors all. Big and small, short and tall. Sing along and say each name. Colors
Please
are
like,
fun.
share,
It's
and
like
subscribe for
game.
more
Red and
videos.
green,